Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 18th on Sunday, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock, what it did during the past week. So this is the weekend edition. So we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a weekly technical analysis perspective. I am still not a financial advisor, so please still do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed the week at 21.37, so this is down 1.92, so almost 8%. Palantir, since the high of, I would say, the high of 27-ish, 27.50, has just been going down, as this is illustrated by this resistance line. So Palantir is just going in a straight line down. And there's a big support at $21 here. We have a little wick here for the past week. Maybe this is a sign. Maybe this is a sign that Palantir is going to rebound on that support. We still need to have a bit more signs to be sure, but maybe this is what is happening. We have a big red candle for this week. Almost no wick at the top. Yeah, a little bit of a wick at the top, but not that much. A longer wick at the bottom, so maybe this is indication that there's a little bit more of a buying pressure here. If we look at the indicators, stochastic is at 32. Stochastic at 32. Not super strong, of course. What can we say about that? This is a reflection of what has been happening here. If we look at the weeks past a little bit, like starting in May, this run up here to 27.50 has been associated with some weak stochastic. So stochastic has never gone over 50, even though the stock had been going up to 27.50 from basically 17 bucks. So basically, from a weekly perspective, that has not been a super strong bull trend here. But anything can happen in the future. Let's look at the MACD. So MACD, we have the two lines above zero, so that's one good thing. So this is why we have one green thumb up. And we have the blue line underneath the orange line, so this is a bearish sign. We almost had a crossover several weeks ago when we were close to 27 bucks, but that didn't happen. So from a MACD perspective, this is still considered a bear trend, but for the DMI, it's still considered a bull trend. So longer term, this is more bullish than short term, because stochastic and MACD, I would say, are more shorter term indicators. So there you have it. Let's see what is going to happen with Palantir this week. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Tesla and Palantir video every weekday and also one during the weekend like I'm doing right now. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. We have some TradingView affiliate link, and you can also become a member of this channel and you will get preferential treatment. I will answer questions from my members first. I will wish you a great rest of the weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.